beautiful people, how are you? Welcome to WIGS series. Welcome to WIGS series. One way we create your perfect image, guys. So guys, I thank you for always coming back, always supporting me, guys. We are having now 634 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I love you all. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers, guys. Welcome to WIGS series. Welcome to a life with maker. Guys, we have this braided wig we are working on. It's in color 350. Yeah, it's an ear-to-ear wig, as you see it on our screen. Yeah, guys, we are working on it, and we are on the final touches, as you see it. Yeah, so we're done with the front on. Now we're working on the back part. As you see, we've marked with our chalk. We're gonna line our braids, so the spacing is good. We've left 2 inches, 2 inches. These braids, we don't have to put much, because when we put much on the net, it becomes heavy, so we have to space it well so that it can be light. And you enjoy your wig, guys. Look at these, those are big ears. Guys, I don't know why I love this color so much. I said, oh, let me try out this color and see how it will come out, guys. Hi guys, welcome to WIGS, where we create your perfect image, where beauty meets, where fashion meets beauty. So guys, here is our wig. Who's ready to try out this type of wig? It's an ear-to-ear wig. It's in color 350. Who's excited to try this wig? I'm also excited to try out this wig, but I'm having some braids here. So guys, this wig is so nice. Look at this. It's an ear-to-ear colorish here. It's nice. It's nice. These are the baby ears, but we haven't ironed them yet. And we are still working on this part, but I think probably today we'll be done with this. Guys, pass by our shop and try out this wig. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's light, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Guys, come and get yourself this type of wig. You will love it. Love ya. Thanks for loving us, supporting us. You can follow us on all our social media platforms. We are all over there at WIGS.